is my first time trying the Dior foundation. Oops, did you see that? Oh my goodness. They said shake well, and when I open the lid, it's just pop. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to try my latest purchase from Dior Beauty. This is called the Dior Backstage for face and body foundation. So if you've seen my Instagram, I did an unboxing and this is the item that I purchased. So if you can see my face, I have no foundation whatsoever. So I'm gonna try it out here. I did a little bit of my eye makeup and just lipstick, very minimal. And this is the packaging. So this is in the 2N shade. I think I ordered this online, so it's very difficult for me to find the shade. With me and my SA, we talked about the correct shade for a while, and he sent me the little barcode that I can scan and try it on my face, but I think that is not true to the color, so I just go with my gut and try this one, the 2N. Hopefully this is good enough for my shade. I heard a bit about this, that it has alcohol in it, so I'm not sure, but my SA told me this is the lightest out of the foundation that Dior has. Before Dior, I usually use the Makeup Forever and MAC. So this is my first time trying the Dior foundation. Oops, did you see that? Oh my goodness. They said shake well, and when I open the lid, it's just pop. Okay. I'm gonna try this one side first, and I'm gonna use finger, and then I will try to use it with the beauty blender also. Okay, let me try. Okay, the consistency is not too runny like that, and oh, is this too dark for me? Let me try. I have a lot of this is like a sunspot because I'm very lazy to use sunscreen. So let's see if this foundation can cover all of this up. I'm gonna smoothen up with the beauty blender. Okay, so this is after one side of my face. As you can see, it's very minimal coverage compared to this. I have lots of discoloration because of the sunspot, and see, like this. And this is what it looks like with the Dior. Maybe not so much different in camera, but in real life I can feel it a bit smoother, and I feel it a bit less spotty, if that makes sense. But I know that I'm choosing this because it says a very minimal coverage. I want something that is not too cakey, not too wow. So that's why I'm trying this out, because I'm trying to use this without looking too much. See the difference? I have a lot of pigmentation here, and this is after one layer. It says in here that you can use it as many layers as you want, so let me try one more layer on here and see if that makes any difference. So this is the second layer that I'm putting on. What I like about this from the review is that you can build it up, so you can do how many layers that you want. And this is my second layer. I'm concentrating in here because this is where my spots are. And I'm using a natural light for this, no lighting whatsoever, so I'm not using any front lights or anything. I'm using mainly just my window natural light, so you can see better without the lightning. So this is all natural light. Okay, so this is the second layer. Okay. In camera, I think you can really see my spot still there, but compared to this one, it is better. But if you see it in person, if I see it in my mirror, it's actually smoother if you see it in a mirror and if you see it in person. But I don't know why in the camera it looks still spotty, so I'm guessing this is not so much not so good for if you want to have a photo shoot, I think. So this is what it looks like with the second layer, and this is nothing. Can you see the difference? You can still see some spots, but if I see it in the mirror, I swear it's like not really that visible. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side now. So I'm going to repeat the process again onto my other face. I mean my other side of my face. My skin is very dry. As you can see, there's the dryness is everywhere, and also very sensitive, so that's why I have all these red spots. It's very difficult for me to find any skincare that will suit my face, so I'm just using CeraVe and Cetaphil for my cleanser, because I tried so many different brands until the high-end drugstore, everything. So I ended up going to my doctor, and he said just try something with no perfume, with no not so much of that commercial thing. So I just use CeraVe and Cetaphil at the moment. Okay, this is my first layer. I'm gonna do the second layer now. Okay, this is after the second layer. I think you still can see some of my sunspots, but this product is actually what Meghan Markle used for her wedding, and we still can't see her freckles, so I think this is as much as it can go. But what I don't like about this is actually how it makes my under eye looks very dry. Mind you that this is my skin is very dry. From the distance maybe you can't see, but if you look very closely, I can see it's a bit wrinkled, a bit cakey, because of my skin condition is very dry, even though I put on moisturizer before I filmed this. So for me, that is the con of this. But what I like about it is I like that this is come in 50 ml, so it's a bit more than usual high-end foundation. And I like how the bottle is squeezable, not that much, but you still can squeeze it. So if you only have a little product left, it's easier for us to squeeze it out. But as for coverage, I can see different from before and now, especially if you see it in person, like from a distance. If you see it in person, I can see that it's even out my skin a little bit. So this is actually what I wanted. I don't want something too much. I don't want it to look like a mask. So yep, overall I think I'm gonna give about 7 out of 10 for this one, mainly because I'm just afraid that if I take close-up picture, all of my sunspot will show up. But I haven't done that yet because this is my first time trying it. So let's see what it looks like in my picture later. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time.